So to fix this problem, go to your notification bar, then you tap on the settings button over here, which is close to your profile. Now what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. After that, tap on the see your apps. After that, what you have to do is to scroll to search for X. When you can't find it, tap on the search bar over here and type in X. So after that, what you have to do is to scroll, then you tap on X when you find it. After tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here, which is very necessary and really important. Tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK. Then after that, tap on notifications and make sure show notification is toggled on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. After doing all this, go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store and tap on it to open it. So tap on it. When it opens like this, what you have to do is to search for X or Twitter. And when you search for X or Twitter, we are going to see this. So what you have to do is to tap on it to open it. Then after that, when you can find or when you can see updates, just tap on the update. Now when you cannot find updates and you see open, just leave it like that and tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. So tap on restart, then you tap on OK. On another device, you're not going to see restart power, you're going to see reboot. It's just the same. If you can't find reboot and restart, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while to turn your phone off, and after that, turn it on within some 5 seconds. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.